What's up, guys? Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and welcome to another app review. This is another iPad app review. If you guys haven't seen the previous reviews, I'll leave the playlist link down in the description. I'm basically going through all of my favorite, and I think, in my opinion, some of the best iPad applications you can get within the App Store. But anyways, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Brian Cox's Wonders of the Universe. If you guys are into astronomy or like learning anything about our planets or the stars or the universe or anything like that, this is definitely hands down one of the best applications you can get within the App Store. There's over 2.5 hours of video. There's tons of stuff to learn, and it's just really a well put together, beautiful application. So let's just go ahead and launch it here. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So I guess I'll just kind of show you how it works. First off, as you can see, here is our Milky Way galaxy right here. You can also explore other galaxies as well, which is pretty neat. You can even go right into and explore our solar system itself, Earth. These are kind of different sections, so if we go ahead and switch to the Earth, it will kind of zoom in here right into our where we are. So there's Earth, and here are all the different sections on the bottom here of the different stuff you can learn. Let's go ahead and back out. Let's go to our solar system. There's a lot to our solar system, and it's really quite awesome. So zoom out a bit, zoom out again. So I'll just play one of the videos which is within this real quick. As you can see, these are all like different chapters that you can go through. I'm not going to be able to show you guys everything in this video because there's so much, but here we go.
Each planet orbits the Sun at its own distinctive tempo. Mercury is the fastest. Closest to the Sun, it reaches speeds of 200,000 kilometers an hour as it completes its orbit in just 88 days. Venus rotates so slowly that it takes longer to spin on its axis than it does to go around the Sun, so that on Venus, a day is longer than a year. Further out, the planets orbit more and more slowly. Jupiter, the largest planet, takes 12 Earth years to complete each orbit. And at the very furthest reaches of the solar system, 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, Neptune travels so slowly that it hasn't completed a single orbit since it was discovered in 1846.
That's crazy.
The solar system is driven by these rhythms, so regular that the whole thing could be run by clockwork.
So if you want to exit a video, just go ahead and swipe up, and there's a whole bunch of literature and a ton of stuff to read within this app as well. There's a lot of different photos. So as you can see, this is basically kind of like the first chapter. Ton of stuff to it. There's so much in this app, it's pretty ridiculous. If you want to close it, just go ahead and swipe it away. Then as you can see, here are all the different sections for within just our solar system. There's so much in this app, it's pretty ridiculous. So here's all of our solar system stuff. It goes on and on. We can back out and we can go to let's go to the Milky Way, which is our galaxy. A ton of stuff to explore in this application, guys. I can't tell you enough how beautiful this app is really put together. It's really stunning. So let's go ahead. Let's open up our galactic neighborhood, and here we're presented with another video. So I'll go ahead and let this play again.
Every star we see in the night sky is a sun that sits within our own galaxy, the Milky Way. As we step away, our sun gradually fades to become just one dot in a sea of stars. We now know that we are about halfway out from the center of this beautiful cosmic structure. But even though these worlds are many millions of kilometers away, we know them intimately by their light. These waves of light are messengers from across the cosmos, and through them we have discovered the wonders of our galaxy. This is the Lagoon Nebula. sits about 5,000 light years from Earth, but it can still be seen with the naked eye because it's 100 light years across and brightly lit by the hot, young new star that sits at its centre. A giant called Herschel 36. This newly born star is over 20 times more massive than our Sun and burns much hotter, which makes the light that pours from its surface blue.
Alright, we can go ahead and close that. So, as you guys can see, there is just so much to this app. It's really ridiculous. Let's go ahead and zoom out of our universe here and get kind of a broader look at the universe, which is pretty insane. So you got the universe. It even breaks down into subatomic particles, and there's just so much in this app. I could probably spend easily an hour just showing you all this different stuff. Again, this is called Brian Cox's Wonders of the Universe. It is hands down the best astronomy kind of style application there is in the App Store if you want to learn about the planets, the solar system, the galaxy, other galaxies, and even the universe. Definitely check out this application. I'll leave the iTunes link down in the description if you guys have any interest in it. Otherwise, if you guys did enjoy this video, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That will help me out tremendously. Also, if you guys want to see any other videos like this, definitely click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.